Let's assume that you are traveling in a new car, then you buy a new car, and then you're trying to travel from here and there. So you're traveling from here, let's say, to this direction, but you keep the constant the direction. For example, you move toward east direction, and here there is some analysis we can make from there as a physicist. What is that? While you are traveling, it is automatically that you will cover a certain distance d, isn't it? But also remember, you keep constantly the direction. You are moving only in east direction or west direction or whatever direction that you are gonna choose. Also, while you are traveling, you will use a certain time. So let's say that you will cover a distance d at a certain time t, but also you keep the constant the direction. So if we will take this distance and we divide by that time that you used to cover the whole distance, which is toward the similar way or similar direction, which is east, for example, then the product or the magnitude obtained from there is what we call velocity. So velocity came or comes only after taking the distance covered in a certain constant direction over the time taken to cover the particular distance. But this is different from what we call speed, which is if you're traveling but in not constant direction, and then similar you use the time t, but the direction is not constant, you're moving from here to here to here to here, then if we take the magnitude of the distance taken over the time taken again, this is not a velocity in fact, but rather it is a speed. So you are free to pause the video and write down what are the difference between speed and velocity.